evening, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Nishtha Chaudhary from class 5th B. Today I am going to introducing a project on rainwater harvesting system. I am going to a project on rainwater harvesting system. This is my eco-friendly house. When rain comes, water goes into the pipe, and then from pipe water goes into a storage tank. I have used sand and stone for filtering the water. When water level increases and then transfer into well, now we can use water for irrigation and other household work. Okay, so this is my project.